I think it's reverse. Yeah, reverse.
We're going to stop side by side to that white car. And we're going to do parallel parking. So we're going to reverse back within 2 cars length, please. Okay?
Right. I think it's reverse. Yeah, reverse. Oh, I've messed this up. One, 2. What there?
You tell me whenever you think you're done.
Yeah, I'd say about there.
Okay, so whenever you're ready, I would like you to drive off, please, for me. You did have got 1 minor and 1 serious on your maneuver. So minor for because you have to go forward and come back and do your car readjusted. So you will get minor for that. The serious fault you have is for your observations. Now, you might argue that I was looking, yes, but then how often?
Yeah, not enough.
So there was a time I counted more than 20 seconds, no blind spot check whatsoever. You were mainly looking at your mirrors.
Yeah, it's not good.
Try every 6 to 10 seconds, quick look over the shoulders. Why you think is very important to do your blind spot checks.
Just in case somebody will come in, walking or another car will be behind.
So what are you covering on your blind spots?
Over there and then over that way.
So that mirror there, what can you see in that mirror? Tell me.
Behind the petrol station.
Okay. Now can you see on that mirror that, don't look at to the right just over the shed, but can you see there's a van parked on your behind? Can you see that van?
No.
Now look over the right blind shoulder check. How about all those cars?
Yeah, no, I can't.
Now if you would have been reversing out from here, and if you're going to do your blind spot, and if that van start reversing or start moving, you would have known because you did your blind spot checks.
Yeah.
But would that mirror going to justify that?
No.
Do you understand why you go serious fault now?
Yeah, I don't.
Okay.